Okay, hello there everyone, hope you are well. Welcome to this video of International Karate on the Commodore 64. Classic old game from 1986. Yep, I remember this game and the sequel, International Karate Plus, from back in the day. So it will be very nostalgic to come back to this first International Karate game. So, here we go. Okay, so here we go in the demo mode here. Let's jump into the game and hope for the best. Oh, there we go. Okay, here we go. I play as the bloke in white here. Haha, 500 points. I should try to advance to the next belt if it's possible. So I'm in the lead here, 1000 points. Have that. Oops. Yeah, come on, do that. There you go, 1000 points again. So now I know how to turn around. When I played the International Karate Plus on the Amiga, I didn't know how to turn around, but if I turn down and push fire button, I will turn around. So now I know that, so it was not that complicated. Oh shit! It was only 100 points to the red bloke. I will have my revenge. Come on. Okay, turn around. There you go. Match over. Ah, but I'm in the lead here. There you go. 3,400 points, but I need more, perhaps, to advance to the next belt. Okay, here we go again. Once again, and let's go out of the demo mode. So try to be more offensive here, and there you go. There, yes, no problem. Yeah, great game. Very nostalgic. Another 1000. Should try to do another. Oh, 2,200 bonus. That will be sufficient, perhaps, for advancing. No, don't stop doing somersaults. Stop doing somersaults, for heaven's sake. There you go, yes. 5,000 points plus must be enough. Another 500. Let's do a round kick now. If we can. Haha, another 1,000. 7,500, come on, that's. Yeah, I have a yellow belt now. This is so cool. This is so cool. And the music is awesome. I don't know who made it, who composed it. It sounds so classic. Come on, turn around. Ah! Get up. Let's try another round kick here. I have 9,000 points now. Come on, losing time here. Yes, 10,000 points. Okay, now let's break here. How do I do this? Almost. Okay, turn around, turn around, turn around. Stop doing somersaults. Yeah, I'm not 100% with the controls yet. I have not learned all the moves, but I'm getting there. Yeah. 400 bonus, okay. 12,800 points. I'm pretty satisfied with my effort here. Another 1,000. Oh, yeah. 2,500 bonus. Cool. Let's do a round kick. Yeah. 1,000 points for the bloke in red. Yeah, I not really understood how to do the round kicks good. I have a green belt now, so I'm happy. Match over. Yeah, 7,300 points. Yeah, I'm happy. I will leave it there. Yeah, great game, classic game. What can I say? I gave the International Karate Plus on Amiga 7 out of 10, but in retrospect I should have gave it more, because this game just grew on you when you learn the moves and all that. It's just pure fun, super fun, and it still holds up actually. To this day, it's an old game, but it still holds up. So yeah, great Commodore graphics, awesome music, nice moves. Yeah, I'm liking this game a lot. So it's a 7 out of 10 as well as the Plus version. So that's it for today. Have a good one, everyone. Take care out there and goodbye.